Hey guys, this is Rimpi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So we are on a staycation and it is 2 hours drive from Pune. So we are in Mango Silva Resort and it is basically an agro-tourism resort and we are in the middle of the nature. Okay, now let's start with the room tour. It is a glass front villa and it has 2 rooms and TV, microwave oven, fridge, etc. And when we went there, there was no ACs, but there was an air cooler. But we saw that they were installing ACs and hope when you will visit, you will get ACs. But I don't think you need AC that much if you are not visiting in peak summer, cause the area is quite cold, and as I already mentioned that it is on the top of the mountain and surrounded by nature. And I forgot to mention that the villa also comes with 2 western toilets. So with every glass house there is an elevated platform.
রেখে দেবো এটা।
And from here you will get a breathtaking view. By the way, how was our journey from Pune to here? So it's a mix of good and bad. Twisty roads. I would say last 5 to 6 kilometer was quite rough, and this is the main entrance. The property is really quite big, and as you enter on left hand side you will find the parking. Initially we parked over there, but the property manager told us that our glass villa is quite far from the main entrance, so we can park in front of our villa. The road from the main entrance to villa is full of gravels. Tanmay was quite scared of dropping the bike, but somehow we managed. So I would suggest that you should come by a car or an adventure bike, cause for all the meals you have to come to the main restaurant, which is near the main parking area. So a personal vehicle would be handy, or you have to walk, which is okay, cause you can enjoy the scenic beauty while coming. And I must say the property manager was very helpful and welcoming. So after checking out, we went to the restaurant for high tea, and this is the restaurant, and the view from here is breathtaking. So right next to the main restaurant, there are wooden cottages. So if you stay in the wooden cottages, then the restaurant will be very nearby. And next to the wooden cottages, there is a kids play area. Now I'm going to show you the pool area, which is also next to the main restaurant area. And this is how beautiful it looks at night. There is also an indoor play area next to the restaurant. At night we had a warm and yummy food. So next morning after having breakfast, we went to explore the property. So this is the second restaurant, which is near to the glass villas, but which was not operational during that time. Now this is how it looks. And before leaving, we headed to the main restaurant for having our lunch, and that's the end of our staycation. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon and also share with others so that this video can reach out to more people. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.